To add a new client in Bill4Time, click on the Clients tab in your navigation bar, then click the Add Client button. If you do not have the proper access to add new clients in the system, you will need to contact your system administrator to grant you these permissions. There is only one required field when adding a new client: the client's name. Whatever you enter in this field determines how your clients will be displayed internally within Bill4Time. If you prefer to organize your clients by last name first, you can do so in the Client Name field. Once you fill in the client's name, the Billing Name field will auto-populate. This billing name is what will show up on your invoices for the client to see. If you'd like their billing name to be formatted differently than the client name, you can edit it after it appears. You may choose to fill in a custom client ID, but it is not required. If you leave this field blank, the system will automatically generate a client ID number for you. Update the address, phone number, and email. Account Manager is the internal user in charge of this client. You can click on this drop-down menu to designate a specific user for this purpose. With Accounting Isolation settings, you have the option to group your client's accounting at either the client level or project level. Please watch our Accounting Isolation tutorial video for further information about this feature. You can also change the created date as well as update the client status if you no longer bill to this client. Fill in any additional information you'd like to include on the client's profile, then click Save when finished. You may also return to this page at any point in time and click Edit to update or add more client information. Thank you for watching the Bill4Time Add Clients tutorial. Please click to continue watching for the next video in the series.